What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over SHIB. We're going to be talking about the technical analysis for SHIB and pretty much where SHIB is going to be going after this. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, but let's get started on the SHIB technical analysis. So the first thing that I see here with SHIB, we are inside of this triangle here, this descending triangle. It's actually showing that SHIB is actually about to hit the end of this triangle. So looking over here at the 15M chart, my previous SHIB prediction, I was like, look, we're probably going to be able to go all the way down here to the 1-1 area, somewhere around there. And that's 4 zeros and 1-1, 4Z11, however you want to say it. But yeah, SHIB pretty much hit that area, and we kind of bounced off of it. We're probably about to try to, break this resistance here. But it's looking more like SHIB is going to hit the bottom side of this descending triangle. But I definitely think it's going to become bullish outside of the triangle. And I'll talk to you why a little bit in this video. So 24-hour market control over here is pretty much indicating that it's in control by the bulls by 60%. So it pretty much shows that we're 60% bullish pretty much. And I know a lot of people don't think we're 60% bullish in the market, not the overall market as well. But SHIBA INU in particular, I think does have the potential to like just do a random pump out of nowhere just because it's one of those meme coins that literally do that type of stuff. And yeah, it has utilities now that they're trying to form up. But it's one of these cryptos that has the potential to just go crazy inside of crazy markets that is going down. So like Baby Doge for an example, was pumping while Bitcoin was down. So I think SHIBA INU might be able to make its own, its own dent in the market. And this is actually an article written by FXG about SHIBA. They said smart money accumulation signals a 60% upswing for SHIBA INU price. They're saying smart money is coming in SHIBA INU right now. So I am seeing that we are bouncing on at the end of this descending triangle. Actually, they showed it here on FXG as well. So it's the same technical here, and I definitely think this is the most probable thing to happen for SHIBA INU. Like I said, it would probably end up just going down here to the bottom end of this support, just kind of like how we did back here. We were at the bottom of the support there, and we're at the bottom way back here on the 13th or the 12th of May, really, and then the 27th of May. And now we'll probably end up hitting it again around the 4th of June, somewhere around there. By then, we should be at the bottom of this triangle, and then you're probably going to see it trying to inch its way right out of there into an uptrend all the way up here into this 1700 area. Now, when you go over here, they do say something about 1615. That's the area they're really looking towards, 1615. Like, I don't think it'll, stop that low, honestly. I think we'll probably end up actually hitting this area, maybe even at 1800, and then getting a rejection maybe down to the bottom. So like I said, this could be a bull trap. But what I think will happen, we may do that, and then we'll get rejected and bring us back down to the 1-0 area, somewhere like that, or the 1-2 area. I really do feel like there's one major bull trap before we become bullish inside the whole overall crypto market. So, like I said, anything can happen, but it would look something like this. We would hit the top, and then boom, bring us right back down. And then after that crash, we'll be completely bottomed out. That's something that I think will happen in the long term. But in the short term, just look for SHIBA INU to do this pump all the way up here to the 1718 area in the short term. And then in the long term, I definitely expect it to do another pullback before we start to actually pump. So that's just my viewpoint on what's about to happen here with SHIBA INU. Let me know in the comments what you all think about it. And Bitcoin's kind of in a similar pattern right now, but Bitcoin's moving more slowly. And it looks like Bitcoin's probably going to get rejected soon. Like we did get rejected here and we pulled back down only halfway to the 29,000 or 29.5K area. And then now you can see Bitcoin trying to break past 30K, but it's going to be really hard for Bitcoin to do that. And this is just the 15M. If we look at the 4-hour chart, you're going to see a much different chart. And this is a much bearish chart if you look at it like this. So pretty much what I mean by this, it looks like Bitcoin's probably going to end up getting stopped like halfway to where the previous highs of 32,000 were. And it'll probably get stopped around like 31K or 30.8K, something like that. And then that'll probably bring us down here, back down to the 28K area. I still see this as a bull trap in the overall crypto market. But like I said, I'd also see SHIBA INU maybe pumping temporarily up to the 1718 area. And that's just temporary. Long term, we're going to be bullish, but short term is going to look like we're bullish for a quick minute, and then we're just going to go right back down, and then we're going to be bearish all over again. So I just feel like this is a bull trap. But we'll see. We'll see exactly what happens. But we're definitely about to pump soon here inside Shiba Inu and inside the overall crypto market, probably one more time before we have that last break inside the market, the last dip, the last heavy dip that is. So anyways, over here, let's talk about the smart money accumulating SHIB. So they say Shiba Inu price is cooling inside a descending triangle, hinting a breakout soon, pretty much. Investors can expect a bullish breakout leading a 26% upswing to the 0.00015 area. And a 4-hour candlestick close below the 1.0 area will invalidate the bullish thesis, but they're pretty much saying. So they're saying 1.5 is pretty much where we're going to end up leading out to. But I think 1.8 is going to be more so what it's going to be. And yeah, the triangle they're saying this is right. This is what they got over here. They're saying the target around 1.5 and the top being around 1.6, and then like the bullish indication would pretty much be 2.0. But if we don't hit 2.0, that's pretty much confirming that it was a bull trap, and then we're going to end up back where we were before, or at least halfway down to where we were before. So that is definitely a good analysis of it. That's pretty much all I got. I could continue to read all this other stuff that they're talking about, but I'm not going to because I don't think it's important. I think what's important right now is just where the chart's showing us that it's going, and everything else we're just gonna have to wait for it instead of speculating. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto the members want me to go over first. As always, I'll be back with another video.